Hello, today in this video we'll see the complete assembling of this high pressure car washer, or you can use this for bike washing also. And this is the product. Anyway, I'm going to attach this in the view products, this particular product. This is the box what the user has received, right? So first, once you open, let us check the contents first, package contents first, then we'll try to assemble one by one clearly. Okay, this is the actual product actually, and this comes with the water pipe. Okay, instruction manual means by following these steps only we are going to assemble this product. And this has the accessories, the battery 48 volts, high pressure with this battery, and this is the what you can foam attachment you can attach, and this is the adapter to charge that removable battery. First of all, this is the operation of the machine. Okay, you need to just press that button so that water will be released in high pressure. You just need to mount this battery by pressing this button actually. Yeah, press this, press and fix it. Yeah, now the battery is fixed. Okay, right, we'll keep this aside for the moment. Okay, now just carefully following the instruction manual or the assembling manual, we'll try to fix the whole machine one by one. Let me take out the accessories. This is the extension rod, you can say, the mesh one, and two extension knobs. Okay, the first one, connect the water pipe to the adapter. That's what they said, water pipe to the adapter. So I need to open the water pipe, and this orange one is the adapter, right? So yeah, let me try to attach the water pipe and the adapter as it is shown in the image. Okay, this is of good quality. Okay, strong. So this needs to go inside like this, but we need to open the cap, then we need to fit this. Okay, what I'll do is I'll be just opening this adapter cap, then I'll be putting in the water pipe, then I'll close that adapter. Yeah, so I just open this cap. Okay, let me just fit the pipe once. Yeah, make sure it is tight enough, then lock it. Yeah, this way there won't be any water spillage. Okay, the next step, the other part of the pipe, this adapter you need to fix it. Okay, just to the other end fix this adapter. Sorry, this mesh one, right? I'm not able to get the name exactly of this one. Foot valve or something like that we used to call this. We need to put it in the bucket or the drum or whatever it may be, whatever the water source. We need to keep that filter screen, right? That filter one, we need to put it in the water. Okay, this is the extension rod. So for the machine top, you can just fit that. Yeah, fine. Okay, we are almost done actually. Fine. Now I need to connect the pipe to the machine actually. Means we are giving the water source, right? So at the bottom, see here at the bottom there is one pipe inlet type, so I need to attach that. Just pull that a bit down so that you can exactly fit that. This adapter, right, just pull it down and you can easily fit into that machine. Okay, fine. Next. Okay, this is already done. Next I need to add this knob. Okay, so the knob is also same similar operation. You just need to pull it down and just attach this. Pull this down, pull this down, yeah, pull this down, just insert that. So two attachments were given. Likewise, whenever you want, you need to pull down that and remove, and you can keep the another knob which is given. Pull it, insert it and release it. Yeah, fine, that's it. So we are almost done. Battery insertion I already did that, so you are ready to go. What you can do is, yes, you can remove that water inlet and use this foam, and you can attach this foam whenever you want foam to be the source. Okay, just remove that and insert this foam bottle. Okay, and coming to the charge of this battery, you just need to remove this by pressing the button, and as the adapter is given in the package only, you can just plug in this and charge it. Okay, so to charge, it is compulsory to remove the battery, then only you can be able to charge it. Okay, like this you can just charge this, and at the end of the video what I'll do is I'll be showing you the operation of this high pressure car washing machine, but in the video I'm going to show you with the bike only. Okay, and if you do have any other question, just you can ask in the comments. And this machine cost is around 1200 rupees, 1200 to 1300 rupees. The user has purchased this on the Flipkart. Okay, and just check for the view products for the complete details of the products. Yeah, let us go to the live. You can just put it in the bucket, the center screen sort of thing, and you can just operate this, as this operates with the battery, and the pressure is high pressure only, and it is working fine and good. And remember, this is the first operation. Okay, and I hope this video tutorial is helpful. If you feel this tutorial is helpful about assembling high pressure car washing machine, please do give a like for this video. That would be a great help, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day. And this is the high pressure. And make sure you watch it carefully. Okay, as the paint is important.